All right, let's proceed from where we've stopped. So dictionaries is the other collection data types in Python. So a dictionary is a bit different than list and a tuple because it always uses a key value pair combination. For every key, there is a value. So for example, in this example that is given, you see that a person is the dictionary and it has key value pair. The key is the name, the value is Alice. The next element could be age, which is the key, and the value is 25. So for you to be accessing any of the values in a dictionary, then you would be using the key as an access point. To print out Alice or do manipulations to Alice, then you'd be calling out name. And between the key value pairs, you do a comma, but not on the last element. So adding elements to a dictionary is just by calling it through its key. And you can also be able to delete a specific element from a dictionary. Let's go ahead and try this. PC spec, and in this dictionary we'd be having let's say the name of the PC. The name of the PC is um, uh, HP, and um, storage 500 gigabytes SSD. So we put a comma after each key value pair, and RAM is maybe 32 DDR4. Okay, this much is enough. So for you to be able to access any data that you want to access from the dictionary, you call out the dictionary and you give the key. For example, if you want to print out the amount of storage, then you do this storage. So that's 500 GBs of SSD. So we used the key to print out the key, the value of that specific key. To be able to change any of the values, then you need to access it through the key. For example, if you want to change the RAM, you need to say RAM, and the new value could be you have updated your RAM to be 64 DDR4. So if we go ahead and um, maybe let's print our whole dictionary first, PC spec, and later let's print it back again after up, updating. And PC spec. So it was originally like this: name HP, storage 500 gigabytes of SSD, and RAM is 32 DDR4. And later, RAM has been updated to be 64 gigabytes of DDR4. So deleting an item in a dictionary is pretty straightforward as exactly as a list. So you just say whatever the dictionary name is, and then you give that specific uh, element that you want to delete. For our case, I'm going to delete the RAM. So let's print out RAM, PC spec again. You see that name HP, storage 500 gigabytes of SSD, RAM has been deleted. Probably if you don't specify anything, it's going to delete the whole dictionary so that it causes an error. PC spec is not been defined. The same is true was the case for lists. Okay, this is a challenge. Try to work it on your own, and then we'll do it together. All right, let's do it together. So create a dictionary for a student with a name and a grade and keys and print the grade. So let's say this student is Dave, and let's give it a of name of that student is Dave, and grade he have scored A plus. Now and print the grade. So to print the grade, we say print and the name of the dictionary, and then we put in the key, that is grade, and that's the class. Let's now see the last collection data type, which is known as a set. So a set is not ordered data type, which makes it different from all the other data types that we've seen. The three of them are ordered, but this one is not ordered. Actually, dictionary is a key value pair. List and tuple are ordered. Sets are not ordered. It's like putting couple of, let's say, balls inside a bag, which you cannot have any specific order, but they are all stored together. The same is true for sets. Sets are important for the case of different set operations, for example, union, intersection, and different set operations. So let's create a set. Let's say it's set one, and when using a set, creating a set, we use curly bracket, and let's give it a value of 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we go ahead and see the type of it, you see that it's a set. Look, it's in a class of sets. You can only print the whole thing in a set since it's not ordered data collections. You can only print the whole thing. And different time that you print, the orders of the set could change. Now let's create another set, set 2, and let's make it a value of 1, 2, then A and B. So now you can do a combination, a union of these two sets. Let's say set union, and that's set 1, and this sign, and set 2. Now let's also do the intersection of the two sets. Intersection set 1 and is used for intersection, set 2. Let's check what we've done. So set union, maybe let's use the string formatting, uh, in union set union and set intersection, set intersection. So the union that you can see is 1, 2, 3, 4, and VA. Everything that is included from both sets. Maybe we can print out both sets, set 1 and also set 2. So you see that set 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and set 2 is 1, 2, AB. So the union is everything included in both of them. And the intersection is the one that is found on both of the sets. Voila. So perfect. Every time you learn, you practice. So you do these exercises, and then you'd find the solutions in the next section. See you then.